An issue some users have been experiencing after installing the TDC 2.0 is having overhopped BBs even when the adjuster screw is completely turned off or just removed entirely. And there's a pretty simple explanation to this and an easy fix. So what you want to do is first take apart the gun and take out the hop-up chamber and disassemble it. Also, this tutorial applies also for the SG10 version, as the system, as the nub system is exactly the same, but I'll be showing this on the SG24 that I have on hand right now. So after disassembling the chamber, we want to inspect the arm and the nub situation right here. And as you can see, right now, the nub is sitting slightly outwards, which means that when you look at it from the top view, it's sitting slightly above the surface. This should not be like that. The most probable situation here is that during the first installation, when the screw goes through the metal nut and into the plastic and it starts forming the thread. So on the plastic part, at first you don't have a thread, and that's what's causing the resistance for the screw, the main resistance. So the first time you screw it in, that's why it's so hard to screw it in, and it forms a thread. During this formation of the thread, it's possible that some debris from the thread forming process can be squeezed in between the nub and the insert inside the nub hole. So what you want to do is remove the nub, just like so, and inspect the arm and see if there's any like visible debris that could potentially stop the nub from going all the way in. So if you check right now, if you put the nub in, even if I press quite hard, it's not going entirely in. It should be completely flush with the surfaces right here. So to fix this issue, just remove the nub. And you'll need to take a rather small screwdriver, flat screwdriver, something like this, or maybe something pointy and sharp. In this case, I'll be using a small flathead screwdriver, like so. And what you want to do is carefully inspect the hole and try squishing out and removing any of the debris that might have been caused from the thread forming process. Just basically you want to scrape the bottom a few times to make sure you remove any possible debris. So let's see if this fixed the situation. As you can see, it's now almost flush, so it's definitely bare, but I'll give it another shot and see if that improves. So let's see again. And now, as you can see, after cleaning up the part from the inside, you can see that the nub is sitting completely flush against the surface of the insert. And when you look at from the top or the bottom, you can see that no part of the nub is protruding out. So this means we've completely eliminated this issue. So all you have to do is now put it back together, put the screw in and just set it again, and you should be good to go. So again, this applies both for the SG10 and SG24, regardless of the gun. So yeah, hope this helps. And if you run into any more issues and this didn't solve the issue, you can try contacting us on Trudos Facebook and we'll help you out debugging the situation.